everybody. I'm taking my bike for the first service. It's coming to 600 miles. It's on 592. So 592. We got another 8 miles to hit 600. Hopefully, I'll be there by 600. I'm running a bit late. And the weather's not too great. What's these people doing, man? Just he was indicating he's gonna take a right, and then he stopped. Now he's indicating left. It's not his fault. It's his bloody instructor's fault. Undecisive, man. Undecisive. So yeah, after this service is when I am going to actually take my bike on its full revs. So talk about 10,000 revs minimum, and then I'm gonna see how it, it responds. How it sort of rides to that sort of revs. How grunty it is. I'm sick of these bus drivers as well, because they just, they're just slow cows. That's what they are. Proper slow. They don't want you to overtake them either. It is raining, and I haven't actually put my V wipes on, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not going to pour down. I'm going to make it to the garage before that. There shouldn't be a problem. See, that's what I'm saying. Look, it's not a carriage, man. That's what they are, and they won't even let you overtake them. Some people might say that I am impatient. I'm a little bit impatient sometimes, yeah. Not all the time, sometimes. Yesterday the weather was so nice, and the beautiful sun coming out today. It's very cloudy, and it's coming down a bit of rain. I can see drops on my visor. I'm sure you can see it on the camera lens as well. There's drops on it. They did say it's going to rain in the morning. In the afternoon it's supposed to be sunny. I hope it is. I don't really like to take my bike out on the rain. When it's a good day, I will have to give it a wash. Because of all the salt and everything that comes off the floor because of the rain. So hopefully, after this service, I'm going to be able to be rapid with my throttle, as in, like, I'm going to be able to give it full throttle and stuff like that. I don't have to be too slow to pick up speed. But I have to admit, obviously it's not a Ninja ZX. A lot of people in this country, I spoke to one guy, and they don't really like to call it a Ninja, this one. They say it's just nonsense. It's not a Ninja. Ninja something. They make. Obviously, Kawasaki's called it Ninja. They're the daddies. They're the ones that make it. It's their product, their baby. We only buy it from them. So they call it Ninja. Who is me and you to say no? It's not a Ninja. Just because man's kid is like, a bit different to him, or the two brothers are different to each other. Don't mean they're not brothers. I don't mean they're not part of the Harry family. No, Harry doesn't look like that. Harry looks like this. How it's supposed to be. It just makes no sense. Anyways, people get angry when you call it Ninja in this country. I said it's a Ninja, one guy, and he got really upset. I was like, hold on. What are you getting upset for? He goes, that ain't no Ninja. Ninja is this. It's a ZX. It's this. That's the power. It's a full. The full works is telling me, it's the engine is inline 4, and it's like, 0-6 is this. And this is the ER. It's rubbish. So look, Kawasaki is called it Ninja. Only in this country they call it the ER because of you people. They don't want to call it Ninja. They don't want to keep you happy. But really, they call it Ninja. You go to the country, Japan, they call it the Ninja. It's a cheap, not a compliment, it's a cheap Ninja. Cheap version of it, but it is a Ninja. You go and tell them when I got a Ninja 650, this is going to give you. They're not going to give you anything else, They're not going to give you the ZX which has got a engine in it. No, they won't. So yeah. So now, what I'm you know, I'm gonna basically do the service and then I'm gonna give it all I can, see what this really is about, this machine. It's only done 94 miles now. Yeah, I think by the time I get to the garage, it's going to be about 600 odd miles. There you go, it's 95 miles now. I'm glad it's not pouring down, just drizzles. Excuse me. The weather's not been too great, so I've been coughing and it's been a bit rough the last few weeks actually. So I'll wait till the sun comes out. The sun was out yesterday and it was beautiful. Even though it was cold and it was very windy, it just looked amazing. In England, you know what, I'll be honest with you, I don't mind the rain, I like the rain as well. It's just that the bike is new. I don't want the bike to go through all of that, you know, dirt. To maintain it, it gets difficult. As in, like, I have to come back after, I have to give it a wash. Sometimes I'm back. You probably know by now that I'm doing that 15-hour shift. When I come back, I ain't got no energy. I just need to basically hit the sack. That's what it's like. I've done 596 miles already. So yeah, 4 more miles. I think I will be about 608 miles by the time I get there. Roughly. Rapidly moving up miles, you know though. 91, 92 is in the morning. Let's go on. If that was just like 5 miles here, about another 5 miles minimum to where I'm going. Yeah, so I don't really mind the rain and stuff. I can give it, you know, look after my machine and everything. I'm sure after a certain time when that novelty is finished of keeping it so clean and pristine, I will be taking it out more. These machines are made for that. That's what they're made for. Commute all around season. The problem is the build quality is not great. I have to admit, even though, you know, I'm riding this bike, I don't really rate the build quality on it. The filtering is really easy with this bike, damn easy with this bike, filtering. Saying that the other day I was taking it and then it just went out of control, the handling. So I would say handling is not great because of the weight and everything, is something not right. We'll see what happens after the first service, maybe because of the first service, maybe things have come loose, I don't know. So you have to see it after that. Fuel-wise, you can get a bit efficient. Depends how you're riding. But I'm pretty sure after the first service, after this service, bike's gonna feel a lot better. And not only that, fuel-wise, it's gonna, you know, consume less fuel. That's the main thing you need. Is a bike like that. If you're not gonna be racing and using a ZX sort of bike, it's about saving fuel and getting to work on time or getting around the city. You know, being able to. So the bike has to handle first properly, especially on huge, large traffic and stuff like that. There's a lot of cars coming. Two, visibility should be like fantastic, as in like your observation. You know, you should be able to sit on the bike and be able to see everything around you. Which is one. This is the thing I can do with this bike. I can look around everywhere, and I can see a lot around me. 3, it should be able to give you good mileage. It's on the fuel. You should be able to get a lot more out of the fuel. You know, 4, the quality, the build quality needs to be great. As in, like, you can't just let it become rusty, or things start falling apart, or starts vibrating. Some of this one does, but I'm not going to complain too much because it's a very cheap bike for what it is. Brand new is 5. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So people buying like second-hand bikes for like 4, 4.5. This damn thing, brand new is 5. So and you're getting the warranty with it. You're getting this, you know, but the rest of it with it. So you can't complain. And people that complain and say, "Why are you going to spend?" So you know, it's people's preference. Number 1, and number 2. This is what suits me. This is what suits someone else. It might not suit you. You might think, okay, I'm going to spend $4 grand on an 8-year-old ZX or an 8-year-old GSX or something, you know, or $4 grand or $3 grand, whatever. Well, I prefer to spend $5 grand on a brand new ER6 because I know I can get a lot more out of it, and I know this has come out from the garage where everything should be fine. No one should be using this bike. Nothing must be, you know. The bike is pristine how it is. Any problems with it, warranty will fix it. Alright, 599. Not very far now. Yeah, maybe more like 602 miles, I think. It's about a mile from here, 1.5 miles I think from here. Would have been lovely though if I could take it on 600. You would have thought, wow, this guy's precise. More or less, It's not that far now. We'll say there you go, you get 600. So I think, yeah, by the time I go now, it'll be about 601. Yeah, just come to 2. If it was analog, you would see where the meter stays. Obviously digital, so it's counting from its computer. Is there something going on here? Why is there a lot of traffic here? Oh, just traffic light, that's it. Congestion was only because of traffic light. This guy's a bit slow. He needs to be a bit slow. I'm still on 600. Yeah, it'll be 601 mile. Well, I'm here now. Not far. There you go. That's fantastic.